Hi, everyone. Welcome to our show about making friends and being popular at school today. My name is Alice, and I was once the shy kid sitting alone at lunch. Now I'm going to teach you how to change your social life in just 30 days. Whether you're starting a new school or want more friends, this episode is for you. Here's the first secret. Popular kids smile more than everyone else in their school. A smile makes people think you're friendly and fun to be around every single day. When you walk into class, smile at 3 different people. They will remember your face. Smiling doesn't cost money, but it makes you look confident and happy to other students. Popular kids help others with homework, carry books, and share their lunch with classmates. When someone drops their books, be the first person to help them pick everything up. Offer to help new students find their classrooms. They will become your loyal friends forever. Help makes you look kind. Kind people always have more friends than mean people do. Instead of talking about yourself all the time, ask other people about their hobbies. What's your favorite video game? Do you have any pets at home? These questions work. Listen when people answer your questions. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. People love talking about themselves. When you listen, they think you're a great friend. Sports teams, art clubs, and music groups are perfect places to meet new friends. You don't need to be the best player. Just show up and try hard. Shared activities create shared memories. Shared memories create strong friendships that last for years. Even if you're not good at sports, you can still cheer for your team. Don't sit alone at lunch. Ask if you can join a table with friendly people. Bring extra snacks to share. Food brings people together better than anything else does. Start conversations about movies, games, or weekend plans. Keep things light and fun always. The biggest mistake students make is pretending to be someone they're not every day. Real friends like you for who you are, not for who you pretend to be. Popular kids are confident in themselves. They don't copy other people's style or personality. When you're real, you attract real friends. Fake friends disappear when trouble comes anyway. Here's your homework. Tomorrow, smile at 5 people and ask one person about their weekend. That's it. Don't overthink it. Just smile and ask one simple question to someone new. Do this for 1 week. You'll be surprised how many people start talking to you. Remember, being popular isn't about having 100 friends. It's about having good friends who care. Thanks for listening. Try these tips and let me know how they work for you.